How to fix AMD Adrenalin Error code 195. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue if you're seeing an error code 195 on your AMD Adrenalin. So basically, error code 195 is actually referring into the installer that you have or the installer file, or it could be a network issue. So first, we'll just have to check if clearing cache from AMD software should help. So to do that, just go into your Windows search and then type in run. Now from here, just simply type percentage local app data percentage and hit on OK. Now once you hit on OK, it will show up your file manager or all the folders, cache files that you have on your PC. What you need to look for here is just the AMD folder and just have it deleted and simply relaunch your AMD Adrenalin. If it does not work, then your last resort is to re-download the whole file. And make sure that you're going to be downloading it into their official site, which is going to be the AMD software Adrenalin Edition application via the AMD's official website. So those are the things that you could do for you to fix AMD Adrenalin Error Code 195.